Hello everyone. Today we will solve LeetCode problem number 3010, which is basically based on the array concept. So what they have given us, so we have a integer array of name nums of length n. The cost of an array is the value of the first element. So the cost of an array is the value of the first element. The first element is to be considered as the cost of the value. So the cost of the value of this array is 1, 2, 3 is 1 because 1 is the first element, while the cost of the 3, 4, 1 is 3 because 3 is the first element. What we have to do is we have to just divide the array into 3 disjoint continuous subarray. So basically we have to divide this array into 3 disjoint continuous subarray and return the minimum possible sum of the cost of this subarray. So basically we have to divide this array into 3 parts and find out such that so we can get the minimum value from that array. So minimum value is to be the first element. So suppose we have divided this array into 2 parts. Suppose 1 is the first part, 2 is the second part, and 3 and 12 is the third part. So what we can get is we will get the minimum values 3 plus 2 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6. So my output will be the 6. So let's start the approach. What we can do is just consider the two values, the first and second value. So just consider int first is equal to integer, the class is there, and the maximum possible values we can initialize with the first variable. So how we can initialize this? For that we have a max value concept. Max value, anywhere suppose we have to find the minimum value, directly go to the max value concept. Suppose we have to find the maximum value, directly go to the minimum value concept. Same way we can do is int second integer dot, same concept we can copy it here also. So that, and now we can iterate the array through the first we can eliminate because first already the first element will be the minimum possible value. Just consider and go to the start with I is equal to 1 and I less than what will be the length of our array, total length of our array, and afterwards we just considering suppose nums of I less than first value, then what we can do is second we can just shuffle the value. Second value become the first value, second become the first, and first become the num of I. This will become a first value. If it is not there, then we can again shuffle this. Suppose condition is for second now. If num of I is less than second value, then we can go with this condition. Second is equal to nums of I. If we done all the iteration, we can directly return the value of sum of first plus second, and by default first value will be our initial value, so we can get the initial value of the first element of array. Let's try whether it is working correctly or not. And we have done some spelling mistake. Let's see. Oh yes, length length. Okay, we have passed all the 3 cases, and now we can submit and check for the hidden test cases. If it is correct, then we can see. So we have bit 87.60% solution that is already there, and let's check the time complexity. Time complexity will be order of n. Suppose we solve this problem using brute force approach, we can get the order of n square times complexity by using the nested for loop. So this is the most optimized solution for solving this problem. So always we are targeting to the most optimized solution. Thank you for watching this video.